What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Thanks for checking out the channel. Today we're going to be painting Butcher from Zombicide's The Boys. So let's jump right in. We're going to start off by painting his pants and his coat, Necromancer cloak, and we're going to do 2 coats. You know what the cool thing is about owning this pack is that you get Terror and the Laser Baby, which is absolutely fun to use.
Holy fuck! That was diabolical!
I couldn't have said it better myself. Do you own the pack with the Laser Baby? It may not be the best card, but it's always fun mowing down zombies. But let's get back to it. Once we're done with that, it should look something like this. Then we're gonna paint his boots and his shirt matte black. 2 coats is good enough. Once we're done with that, we're going to move on to his skin and we're going to paint 1 coat of mummy robes. Do you know, while I was editing this video, I saw a clip of Butcher talking to Huey and I just couldn't stop laughing. So here's the clip.
This is like that scene in The Matrix. Now, you could take the fucking red pill, right? Spend the rest of your life jacking off, crying into your chai tea, green latte, what the fuck. Or you could take the blue pill. Was it the red pill? Anyway, take the other pill and quit being a cunt.
Which pill do you want me to take?
Just quit being a cunt, that's what I'm saying.
I was just dying every time I watched that. So once you're done with that, we're going to move on to his skin. And we're going to paint Barbarian Flesh with 2 coats. Once you're done with that, we're going to paint his crowbar gunmetal, and we're going to use 2 coats. And then we're going to paint his hair matte black. Once we're done with that, we're going to move on to painting his shirt Goblin Green. When you're painting the leaves on his shirt, make sure you narrow it from the tip and the base and make it wider in the middle so it looks like a leaf. Then you're going to want to paint his branches on his shirt with desert yellow. Then we're going to go over his jacket and his pants with 1 coat of dark tone. Now we're going to paint the tip of his crowbar with crested sore, and you're going to end up going over with glistening blood. And we're done. Let's throw a spin on him. I really enjoyed painting him for 2 reasons. He's one of my favorite characters that I can relate to, and he has a simple color scheme. But before we move on, let's watch one last clip of the greatest advice never heard of.
Remember what I told you.
Don't be a cunt.
So let's move on to everybody's favorite superhero, Homelander. We're going to start by painting his suit ultramarine blue, and we're going to do 2 coats. Did you guys know that the TV show downplays how psychotic this dude really is? This is what he looks like in the comic books, and this dude eats babies. I don't know, but I really haven't read the comic books, but I do enjoy watching the TV show. When we're done here, we're gonna move on to his cape and we're gonna paint it with 2 coats of matte white. Now we're going to paint his stripes with pure red, and you're going to want to do 3 to 4 coats. Once we're done with that, we're going to end up moving on to his trimmings. So like his belt, his boots, his bracers, shoulder pads, and his collar. And we're going to want to paint it with 2 coats of greedy gold. And we're pretty much done right here. If this is the kind of look you like, go for it. If not, just keep watching. And we're done. So let's throw a spin on them. As you can see here, I ended up using flesh wash to make the suit darker. I ended up painting his hair with desert yellow and demonic yellow, a 1-to-1 ratio. And his skin is barbarian flesh. I will throw up a still shot so you guys can check it out. And I will throw one last clip. And I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to create, paint, and play. Till next time.